Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the copying techniques in system verilog, which is deep copy. In yesterday's video we have already discussed about the shallow copy. If you didn't see that video, I'll link that in the description box. You can go there and check it out. Also one more important thing is that copying techniques is very important in system verilog. It may be little bit confusing, but it is very important. So please do check out the two videos like shallow copy and deep copy. If you didn't see the shallow copy, don't come to deep copy, because if you don't understand shallow copy, you can't understand the deep copy. So that is why please check out that video before coming into this deep copy video, right? So in yesterday's video we have, while we are checking about the shallow copy, we have discussed some of the disadvantages in shallow copy. What is that? First and most important disadvantage in shallow copy is that when you are copying it, when we are copying all the elements within one handle into another handle, only the variables in the class are copied. But if that particular handles is having any internal objects, those objects can't be copied by using the shallow copy, but we can do that by using the deep copy technique. Okay, so in deep copy technique, what you will be doing is you will be adding some custom method. That means you will be adding a method. Okay, you will be writing some method, a method called copy method. Okay, and with by using that particular copy method, you will be avoiding the disadvantage that has occurred in the shallow copy, right? So let us see what is deep copy, how we are going to do it. So this is my shallow copy. You have already know about my shallow copy thing. So I am creating two handles. So when I want to change anything with from one handle to another handle, only the values that are there in one packet one will be replaced. But if this packet 1 and packet 2 is having any internal objects, those can be replaced. Okay, so for that, what we have done, as I told you, we will be writing a copy method in this particular deep copy. Okay, so within that copy method, you will be copying in deep about all the objects, internal objects that are present in one particular parent class. Okay, now if you see here, let me explain this with an example. We have already seen this example for shallow copy also. The same example I want to explain it for deep copy also. So if you see my deep copy example, the same thing. So this is my first class, okay, and the constructor function for my first class, right, and this is my second class, right? So if you see here, my second class again consists of data, id as well as error transaction. Everything is same here. Again I am writing the constructor function for my transaction class, okay, where I am assigning the values for data, id as well as error transaction. Until here everything is same, and again I have written the display function for everything like data, id as well as error data and error, right? Until here everything is same for both shallow copy and deep copy. Now as I told you, in deep copy you will be customizing the method. That means you will be writing your own copy method. So how this own copy method is going to look? Now if you see here, this is my own copy method. Okay, method is nothing but function or task. So basically you will go for function, since you don't have any delays and all in this particular thing. So function, okay, deep copy with some argument with tr as an argument. Okay, this is my, just I am naming it as deep copy. You can name anything. Basically, since you will be using the copying method, basically you will be naming this as deep copy itself. So within this, what I am doing, I am assigning everything that is there in my transaction class in detail. Now if you see here, whatever that is there in tr data, that is assigned to this dot data. That means this dot data is nothing but the variable that is there in this present class. Okay, this is the keyword. This means in this present class, because if you see here, within this particular end class you are having only this particular class. So whatever that is there in that particular class, that variable, okay, it is considered as that variable. Similarly tr.id, that means whatever that is there in this tr.id, that will be copied to this .id. Similarly, whatever that is there in tr.err data, what is this? Tr is nothing but transaction. This is my transaction. So within my transaction I am hanging error transaction. This is the handle. So if you see here, internally this error transaction is having two internal objects. What are those internal objects? Error.date, error data as well as error. Now what I am doing, it is just like a hierarchy path. Okay, so tr dot, okay, tr dot err data. So whatever internally I am doing, that is what deep. That means every detail will be copied, everything inside it will be copied in detail. That is why it is named as deep copy. Similarly, uh, tr dot error, so whatever that is there in this, it will be copied. Similarly, if you are having some two more internal objects, those two objects will also be copied in such a way. Okay, and then end function. So this is my customized deep function. This is very important when you are going for deep copy. Okay, so if anyone asks you what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy, basically when you are seeing, when anyone asks you while seeing a program, well, someone asks you by seeing the code, if they ask you if this is shallow copy or deep copy, if that copy consists of some customized function or method with copying every nook and corner, then that is deep copy. If it is just only copying of handles, then it is a shallow copy. Right, now this is the extra addition that is added for deep copy. Okay, again the same thing. Within module I am taking two handles. Okay, for the first handle I have created a new and I am calling with tr.display. Okay, that means I am displaying everything with tr1.handle. Now if you see here, I have created new for tr2 also. Okay, I have created new for tr1 as well as I have created for tr2 also new. And then what I am doing, whatever that is there in tr1, I am copying everything to tr2 by calling the deep copy method. Now if you see here, as soon as I am calling the deep copy method with tr2 handle, now whatever that is there in deep copy, everything is copied to the tr2 handle. Now what happens, whatever that is there in tr1, it is assigned to tr2. Okay, if you see here, the assignment is same, but the only difference is that if you are assigning it in just tr1 equal to tr2, it is called as class assignment. If you are assigning it with new of tr2, then it is shallow copy. But if you are assigning it by using the method, okay, that you have already written within your code, then that is deep copy. Clear? So after copying everything within tr1 to tr2, so again I am displaying everything with tr2 handle. Now I have displayed everything with tr1 handle as well as I have displayed everything with tr2 handle. Clear? Now what I am doing here in my next step, I am changing all the values within this particular class with tr1 handle. Now if you see here, I have changed it from, actually the values are 100, 1, all F's and 1, right? I am changing all values to, I have changed this to 200, I have changed this to 2, I have changed this to 1, 2, 3, 4, I have changed this to 0. Now if you see here, all these values I have changed only by using tr1 handle. So according to us, only the change should be reflected within tr1 only, but the tr2 consists of the same values that are previously there in this particular handle. Now let us see. If you see here, data 100, everything is before copying. Like if you see here, before copying everything I have displayed. Okay, that means this is tr1. After copying everything from tr1 to tr2, again I displayed. So everything that is there in tr1 is copied to tr2. Fine. Okay, everything is same. Now what I have done, by using tr1 handle, I have changed all the values, like 200 to 12340. If you see here, 200 to 12340 with tr1 handle. Now if you see the tr2 handle, what are the values? It's 200, it's 100. id2, id1. If you see here, those are before values. This is my before tr2. Okay, this is my after tr2. Now if you see the values here, This is the previous value 1 1. But if you see this in the shallow copy, what happens? Any change either by using TR2 handle or TR1 handle, it will be reflected in both for this particular object. Is it or not? So this is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. Okay, so as I told you, in deep copy an extra method with the name deep copy will be written here. Within this deep copy, what you will be writing, you will be assigning all the values word by word, like variable by variable. You will be assigning all the values within this by using this particular method. Okay, so by doing that, what happens, it will ensure that all the properties within the tr1, when you are copied, they will be newly created in tr2 without having any disturbances or without having any overriding things in this particular two handles. Clear? So this is about the shallow copy and deep copy. Hope you understood about what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. If you do, please do like, share this, like this video, and also share this video to all the VLSI aspirants who also want to enter into design and verification domain. Also, you know what to do. Please do subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification bell. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing this channel. And if you want to have more such content, please subscribe to my channel and also like the videos that I am sharing, so that it is kind of motivation for me. That is all. Thank you.